105 Subic Bay Radio. Music coming from Bon Jovi. That one's called Wild is the Wind. Music coming from 1988. And that song brought to you by Ulticare Medical Center, where healing meets compassionate care. Ulticare Medical Center. Ulticare Medical Center. Now open. Services offered. 24-hour emergency care services. Outpatient department. Dental clinic. Pharmacy. Clinical laboratory. Center for radiologic imaging. Center for cardiac care. Pulmonary unit. Center for wellness and health. Hemodialysis. HMO concierge. Ambulatory surgery clinic. And nursing services. Ulticare Medical Center. For more information, please call 047-602-6200-209. Visit and like our official Facebook page. We are located at number 2 National Highway, Barrio Barreto, Olongapo City. For emergencies, you may call 0993-219-8273. Ulticare Medical Center, where healing meets compassionate care.
Greetings. This is Kevin Gregg from Mississippi in the United States of America. You are tuned into DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
Coffee? Check. Shower? Check. The best morning show on the radio? Check. Start your mornings right.
Right here on 89.5 FM.
89.5 FM, 11:41 on the dot. Okay, once again, we'd like to invite you guys this coming Thursday. Thursday, bukas na. The August 15, Sam's Pizza Payday Sale will be happening. All right. So for those who are familiar, for those who have been a patron of Sam's Pizza, well, you know how it goes. But yeah, for those who don't know, let me tell you na rin. 2 flavors in one 12 inches pizza for only 299 pesos. They do this periodically. All right, so this time it's going to be tomorrow, August 15, 2024, at all branches. Sam's Pizza, Magsaysay, Barreto, and Castillejos. Okay, so you guys watch out for it. Bukas na, huh? All right, and once again, you will be having the chance to win your 12 inches with 2 flavors pizza for free. All right, if you will join the radio contest, all you have to do is call me when I give the signal. When I give the signal, you wait. Ayan, may tumatawag na. Hold it. Let me give the go signal muna. Huh? Okay, so you'll get the chance to win it for free just by simply answering the simple questions that I'm going to be asking you. Okay, for the meantime, it's time for some of the latest piece of news from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. We have this report from Zambales Herald. All right, 56 Muslim beneficiaries in Zambales complete entrepreneurial mindset seminar. Okay, a total of 56 Muslim beneficiaries in Castilla Zambales completed the entrepreneurial mindset seminar of the Department of Trade and Industry, or DTI. It is one of the services offered by the agency's Negosyo Centers to potential micro, small, and medium enterprises. DTI Provincial Director Enrique Tacbad said attendees were beneficiaries of the Sustainable Livelihood Program, or SLP, of the DSWD. All right. He said this initiative driven by DSWD aligns with DTI's commitment to fostering economic growth and self-sufficiency among marginalized sectors of society. All right. Each group of 5 members received a financial grant of 100,000 pesos under SLP to kickstart their businesses. Takbad said that during the seminar, the beneficiaries made a business plan and proposed it before they received the assistance. Okay, so there you go, the latest from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. Also, last Monday, just the other day, during the flag raising ceremony, or after the flag raising ceremony, was the opening of the Child Care Center here in the Subic Bay Freeport. All right, and it's going to be operated by the SBMA, spearheaded, of course, by the SBMA HRMD. All right. Children of Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority employees played inside the SBMA Child Development Center at Building 662 when it opened Monday. All right, Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Okay, the center was established to support government employees in balancing their roles as parents while working for the agency. Okay, and this was on this report was courtesy of the Daily Tribune. Okay, so there you go. There you have it. Some of the latest pieces of news from in and around Subic Bay, Freeport, and still in and around Subic Bay, Freeport, in the city of Olongapo, in Lindayag. Opening soon is the 18th condominium in Olongapo City. It will be, it's being constructed, it's ongoing, it's almost done. Turnover will be in by 2025. Malapit na, no? Alam niyo naman, August na, tapos bare months na. Ayan. City living at its best. The first condominium apartment in the heart of the city. Embrace urban luxury with this elegantly designed loft at the 18 condominium Olongapo City. It's at Lindayag Street, the side of Columban College. Sa gilid lang ng Columban College yung Lindayag Street. That's where it's at. So, very, very strategic, beautiful location. It's near Magsaysay, near SM Downtown, near the Subic Bay Freeport, both the main gate and Rizal Gate. It's near anything and everything you could possibly want or need. Diba? And it's around schools as well. Okay, Columban, malapit din sa Asinon Elementary School, malapit sa James Gordon Hospital. What more could you ask for? So reserve now, okay? And this could be a good investment even if you're not gonna, reside there. You already have your own. Reserve ka pa rin. Pwede mong pa-rent, sublease, di ba? Yeah, okay? So it's gonna be a good investment for you, okay? A couple of invites coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Ongoing is the Eat, Spin, and Win. Win cool prizes for every 299 peso single receipt with any Coca-Cola products. Yan, cool prizes is up for grabs. So, it's at the food court, of course. Food court of SM City Olongapo Central. And in fact, all food courts of all SM around the world, around the country. Okay? And our home ongoing is the Style More, Save More. Save big on your purchases on furnitures, okay? They got different categories of discounts for you. Merong 5% off, 10% off, 15% off, and 20% off, and a whole lot more. So visit our home now at the third level of SM City Olongapo Central. Third level. Luggage sale is ongoing. Get special discounts up to 50% off on luggages. Buy one, get one free. Also being offered August 1 to 31 at the SM store. And the P-Pop Group New ID will be visiting the SM City Olongapo Central this coming Saturday. Okay? August 17. Am I right? Yeah, 17. Okay, 5 p.m. at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. So yung mga fans ng ng New ID, P-Pop group ito. Hindi K-pop ha, P-Pop. New ID, yan yung ini-issue pag start ng pag start ng pasukan. New ID. Oh. Importante yan. Sa school hindi pinapapasok yung yung elepante pag walang ID. Tsaka yung lion, yung tiger, yan. Bawal pumasok pag walang ID. And big bag sale, up to 50% off also at the SM store. Tama-tama. These are school essentials, back to school. August 1 to 31, big bag sale. Pang travel din, hindi lang pang school. Okay? So, visit your nearest SM store. Okay? And to celebrate our athletes, Goldilocks at all SM malls is presenting this promo called Job Well Done. J-A-B, Jab. Jab Well Done. Classic Pulburon, 10 pieces for free from August 9 to 15. Uy, hanggang bukas na lang. So you better hurry. Okay? Yung mga mahilig kumain ng pulburon, I have a challenge for you. Isubo nyo yung pulburon, durugin nyo, nguyain nyo, and then bago nyo lunukin, unahan sumipol. That's a good thing to do with fun thing to do with pulburon, di ba? So, Jam Well Done of Goldilocks. Visit your SM malls now na may, syempre, nandiyan yung Goldilocks, okay? And August 12 to 18, the all-new Mitsubishi X-Force will be on mall display at the SM Central, scheduled for a test drive or simply visit them or see it, okay? The Opte booth is open to take your donations for communities affected by Typhoon Karina. All right, Opte booth. Opte stands for Operation Tulong Express. So send in your donations now. Rainy Day Essentials, up to 70% off on Rainy Day Essentials. Hanggang tomorrow na lang din, August 15, up to 70% off. It's at SM Central, okay? So check it out. Also at all SM stores is the Women's Denim Sale, up to 50% off on denims for women, August 1 to 30 only. And lastly, aside from women's denim, babies. I almost said Barbies. Babies wear sale, up to 50% off. Special deals, pre-baby bib pa. Okay, August 1 to 31 at your everyday store, the SM store. Okay, so those are the invites for you coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. And we have more for you a little later. We will be back with more. So stick around, stay tuned. And as I mentioned kanina, we will be having the Sam's Pizza contest. Ayan, so it's on. We need a caller now. If you guys want to join the Sam's Pizza contest, well, you better call me now. 0910-6909-501 or call lang no? Call lang ang pwede. Pwede ring via Messenger, syempre, if you wanna win the 12 inches pizza with 2 flavors. Ayan, and we have somebody calling right about now. Teka lang, sandali lang. Let me put you online. Hello caller.
Hello.
Yes, hello caller. Can you hear me? Hello caller. Hindi ata kami magkarinigan. Let's dial ka ulit, Parkoy. Hindi umaano eh. Let me try one more time, okay? Ayan. All right. So call me if you wanna win the Sam's Pizza 12 inches with 2 flavors para sa payday special promo nila. Ayan, okay? And we have somebody calling. Let's try this one. Okay. What seems to be wrong here? Yeah. Okay, let me check it. Check it. Yeah, something seems to be wrong. Okay. So once again, 0910-6909-501 if you wanna win, if you wanna join the Sam's Pizza Payday Special radio contest. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna repeat the numbers for you. 0910-6909-501 if you wanna win, of course. Okay, and right about now we have somebody calling again. Ayan, medyo may technical difficulties tayo kanina. Ayan, let's try this one more time. Hello caller. Hello po. Yes, can you hear me?
Yes po.
Ayun, ako rin, I can hear you. Parikoy, I know the reason why you called.
Yes po.
Tatanungin mo kung ano yung gamot sa ano. Magaling na yan, alam ko. You're gonna join the Sam's Pizza Payday Special Contest?
Yes po.
Ayun, okay. Alright. So first thing for you to do, you need to give me your name. Okay? Akin na lang pangalan mo.
Jan Reyes po.
Come again?
Jan Reyes.
Alright. Okay. So, are you ready?
Yes po.
Siyempre, before I declare you the winner, kailangan sagutin mo muna yung mga dapat mong sagutin. Alam mo na yan, no? Okay.
Opo.
Ayun. Okay, so question muna. Question number 1 muna. Ano yung title ng promo natin, Parikoy, sa Sam's Pizza?
Sam's Pizza Payday Sale.
Sam's Pizza Payday Sale is correct. Ayan. You got question number 1 correct. Yung susunod naman, Parikoy. Kailan yung date nito? Kailan siya gaganapin?
Bukas na, sir.
Bukas na. Bukas na. August 15.
August 15.
Wow.
Yes,
is correct. Oh, pero wag mo na akong tawagin, sir, ha? Wag din, ma'am.
Papatayin mo ako, sir.
August 15 is correct. Ayan. Tapos, how does the promo goes? Do you have any idea paano ito, yung promo na to?
Alam ko, sir, get 2-in-1 flavors of 12 inches pizza for only 299 pesos.
Yon! That's the way it goes. Ikaw yung pipili ng ano, no, ng 12 inches pizza na may 2 flavors, pare. Tapos 299 lang. Baba, oh, sulit na sulit, no? Okay. If ikaw yung pipili ng ano, ng 2 flavors, ano yung pipiliin mo? Sige nga.
Malamang hindi Hawaiian.
Isa ka ba sa naniniwala na wala dapat pineapple ang pizza?
Hindi naman, sir. Namimiss ko rin naman ang pineapple.
Namimiss mo rin.
Parati.
Oo.
Oo.
Pero ano yung
Pepperoni
pipiliin?
and beef mushroom, sir.
Sabi ko na eh, talagang pipiliin mo yung pepperoni.
Oo, tama, sir.
And beef mushroom, pare. Okay. Alright. So, one last thing for you to do, pare Goy. Ayan. Ano-ano yung 3 branches kung saan kasali ang promo na to?
Alam ko, sir, meron sa Magsaysay, Barreto, tsaka Castillejos.
Magsaysay, Barreto, and Castillejos is correct. Alright, you got it right. Ayan. Okay. So, congratulations to you, pare Goy. You're the winner. Yay! Ayan.
Maraming salamat.
Narinig mo ba yung palakpakan? May palakpakan dito sa station eh. Ewan ko dyan kung meron. Ayan. Ang claiming, pare Goy, bukas din ha. Bring your ID, yung name na binigay mo, na ipo-forward ko doon. Just bring your ID. And Sam's Pizza Magsaysay ang claiming. Okay? By the way, 222-3686 for increase. Ayan. May mga gusto kang i-greet. Huwag mong batiin. Baka masarapan.
Batiin ko po si Commissioner Andy Tupas.
Commissioner Andy Tupas. Oh, nga no.
Opo, yan. Saka sino ba to? Si Mike Yap. Na-miss ko si Mike Yap kasi naalala ko siya noon sa Deadpool na palabas tsaka Wolverine.
Yung ano? Tinutukoy mo ba yung ano niya? Yung yung Wolverine.
Opo. Tawag niya po yun. Tapos sabay ganun din magsalita.
Pwede. Okay. Ayan. Yun lang ang pagbati mo?
Pati rin po sa buong mga empleyado ng SBME, congratulations po sa inyo.
Alright.
At na maganda yung daycare center.
Yeah, the daycare center open, ano? Yeah, oo nga. Yan. So pwede nang pag-iwanan ng anakis while working, no? Ayan.
Babalikan mo rin dapat, sir, para sa pag-uwihan mo, kasama mo na anak mo. Huwag nang iwan doon.
Ako na lang ang magpapaiwan doon. Sige. One last thing for you to do, pare ko. Traditional question sa 89.5. Ayan. Sino ang artista ka-lookalike ni Mr. Reyes?
Hindi ko po alam, sir. Balita ko to, si Dante Barona. O kaya si Max Alvarado.
Naalala ko pa yung tugtog, yung awit, nag-play bigla sa mind ko. Siya ang hari ng stunt.
Dito yung mga luma, sir, na
siya ang hari ng stunt.
Kontrabida, yan. Yan.
Yung hari ng stunt, no? Tumalon sa San Juanico Bridge. Grabe, no? Tagal na yun, ano?
Kanya-kanyang hari kasi yan.
Na-realize ko yung pagkakakanta ko parang version ni Jumidis Maturan eh. Katunog eh. Siya ang hari ng stunt. Okay, pare. Once again, congratulations to you. You're the winner.
Salamat po.
Huwag mo kalimutan mag-claim bukas, ha? Baka makalimutan mo. Tomorrow na. Alright. Okay. Thank you very much for calling. And once again, congratulations. Yay!
Maraming po salamat.
Thank you rin po. Okay, there you have it. Our winner of the Sam's Pizza Ready I.O. contest. Ayan, si Mr. Jonas Reyes. Okay, so let's press play on the next requested song. Here's Striper. Somebody asked for a Striper song, and here's their hit song called Together as One. This is 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.